Right, I'm going to the main bit.
Right.
Oh, what a great place to watch football. We're in Scotland.
Good morning everyone, and welcome to part 2 of our Scottish road trip. Today we'll be driving up from Gillimore in Yorkshire to Pittenweem in Fife, and finally arriving in Scotland. On the way we'll make a couple of stops. First on the list is Warkworth Castle in Northumberland, to keep getting the most out of our English Heritage subscription. Then we'll have a quick jaunt around Tweed, the most northerly town in England. And finally we arrive in the beautiful little coastal village of Pittenweem.
Our fourth castle of our membership. What did you say?
Pick something in your shit.
What did you say?
I didn't want to take the bag. He was like, no, it's fine, I'll take the bag. Is he taking the bag? No, I have it.
It's because I got the camera. Right. In the ale cellar. Right. There's stairs going this way. I couldn't see you. I didn't want to go up here and then get lost. There were a lot of hidden rooms around here.
Yeah.
And that was the toilet. Is Tweed the name of the river? I'm assuming.
I'm assuming it is, yeah.
On the Tweed. It's the most northerly town in England.
They're right near the Scottish border here.
So this is all English heritage, but it's free to get in, right? Oh, what a great place to watch football.
Wow.
Interesting brickwork there, isn't it? So that's there, I shouldn't be climbing on this.
No,
Volunteer gunners. If I do just brush past stuff that you want to read, there is a pause button on YouTube, by the way. People watching, and you. Crossing the border, England to Scotland. Not sure the point in the border viewpoint. What's it about?
You can stop and go, oh look, we're at the border.
We're in Scotland.
Where are we?
Scotland.